Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send text message from Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to send a text message, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send text message from Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the message app. You can just search for the messages app and then open it. Once you open the messages app, click on the message icon at the bottom right, then select your recipient. Here I'm going to just search for my recipient like this. Then it should say text message. Tap on text message and then leave whatever message you want to send to this particular recipient on your Samsung. So this could be, it's a great day today. Now press and hold the SIM card option to choose which SIM you want to use. Here you can see I have two different SIMs, so you want to choose the SIM option to select this network you want to use to send your text message. Now to send the text message, all you need to do is click on the send button. And once you click on the SMS button here, this is going to send the text message to your Samsung. So this can easily send the text message to Android or iPhone provided this SMS. So click on send and then you're good. So that's exactly how to send text message from Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.